Or received a message saying, "Congratulations, your account has been selected for verification," and for a second you almost clicked it? Or noticed someone created a fake profile using your photos before you even knew it existed? And let's be honest, most people spend hours choosing the perfect profile picture but less than 5 minutes securing the account behind it. Here's the truth. Your social media account isn't just for posting photos and videos anymore. It stores your conversations, personal information, business contacts, payment details, and sometimes even access to other online accounts. That's exactly why cybercriminals love targeting them. Today we're breaking down how to protect your social media accounts using simple security habits that cybersecurity professionals recommend every day. If you're passionate about cybersecurity, digital privacy, ethical hacking, and staying safe online, smash that like button. Comment, which social media platform do you use the most? And subscribe, because this channel helps future cybersecurity professionals and everyday users stay one step ahead of cyber threats. Step 1. Create strong, unique passwords. Your password is your first line of defense. Avoid using birthdays, names, or simple combinations like password 23. Instead, create long, unique passphrases for every social media account. Never reuse the same password across multiple platforms. If one account gets compromised, unique passwords help protect the rest. If you struggle to remember strong passwords, I've linked a trusted password manager and a cybersecurity fundamentals book in the description through Amazon. They're excellent tools for improving your online security. Step 2. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Imagine someone somehow learns your password. Without MFA, they could immediately access your account. With MFA enabled, they'll still need a second verification step before logging in. That extra layer of protection stops many account takeover attempts whenever a platform offers MFA. Turn it on. Step 3. Watch out for phishing messages. Not every message that says official support is actually official. Cybercriminals often send fake emails and direct messages asking you to verify your account, reset your password, claim prizes, avoid account suspension. Always verify messages through the platform's official app or website. Never click suspicious links simply because they create urgency. If you're still watching, comment, "Account secured." And don't forget to like and subscribe, because the next 2 tips protect thousands of accounts every single day. If you're serious about learning cybersecurity, I've also linked a beginner-friendly Udemy cybersecurity course and a digital privacy course in the description. They explain these concepts in much greater detail. Step 4. Review your privacy login settings. Take a few minutes every month to review your account. Check devices currently logged in, recent login activity, connected third-party apps, privacy settings, recovery email and phone number. If you see a device you don't recognize, log it out immediately and change your password. Small routine checks can prevent major security problems. Step 5. Think before you share. Cybersecurity isn't only about passwords. It's also about information. Avoid posting details that answer common security questions such as your birthday, your first school, your pet's name, your home address. The less personal information attackers can collect, the harder it becomes to target you through phishing or social engineering. Remember, cybercriminals often piece together small bits of publicly available information to build a detailed profile about their targets. Even something as simple as posting your vacation in real time or sharing photos that reveal your location can create unnecessary risks. Before posting, ask yourself, would I be comfortable if a stranger knew this? Protecting your social media accounts doesn't require advanced hacking knowledge. It requires good habits. Use strong passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Verify unexpected messages. Review your account regularly. And think carefully before sharing personal information online. Cybercriminals are always looking for easy targets. Don't be one of them. If this video helped you become more cyber aware, smash that like button. Comment, which security tip are you going to enable today? Subscribe for more practical cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Linux, AI, and digital safety content every week. You'll also find my recommended Amazon security tools and Udemy cybersecurity courses in the description if you want to continue building your cybersecurity skills. Using those links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Stay smart, Stay ethical, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next cybersecurity lesson.